Are you looking for an action camera that crushes it? But GoPro isn't your only option? We got you! We're diving deep into the best alternatives in 2024, from budget picks to feature-packed beasts. Get ready for epic footage without breaking the bank or the camera itself. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 4. For most adventurers, the DJI Osmo Action 4 offers the perfect balance of quality and price. Rather than pushing for 5K like GoPro, DJI focuses on fitting the largest image sensor into their action camera, resulting in superior 4K video quality. Stable 4K video is ideal for most editing needs, and this camera excels in delivering it. The Osmo Action 4 handles rough use and extreme temperatures well. It's not the cheapest, but it rivals GoPro without pushing subscription models. The electronic image stabilization, EIS, remains excellent with rocksteady and horizon balancing for smooth footage. While the modular Action 2 design is still available and useful, the Action 4's compact, GoPro-sized form makes it a strong contender. It offers up to 120 FPS in 4K, perfect for capturing action scenes. DJI's decision not to tie the camera to a subscription model is a major plus. The app provides remote control, downloading, and on-the-go editing, and DJI regularly updates the firmware. For adventurers seeking high-quality, stable 4K video without the subscription hassle, the Osmo Action 4 is the camera to beat. Number 2. Akaso Brave 7LE. Akaso's budget action cameras continue to impress, with the Akaso Brave 7LE offering loads of great features for vloggers looking to keep costs down. It shoots 4K video and has a 6-axis stabilization system that's surprisingly effective for a camera at this price. While it doesn't support 60 FPS at 4K, the 30 FPS speed is suitable for most vlogging needs. For higher frame rates, 2.7K at 60 FPS is a good compromise, allowing for smoother action without dropping to 1080 pixel. The front-facing screen is handy for vlogging, though its small size might take some getting used to. The camera has minimal waterproofing without housing, so it's not suitable for deep water use. Despite this, the Akaso Brave 7LE remains a great budget option for vloggers seeking a GoPro alternative, providing excellent value with its versatile features and solid performance. Number 3. DJI Action 2. DJI revolutionized the action camera market with the Osmo Action, introducing a front screen and prompting GoPro to rethink its designs. The follow-up Action 2, launched in 2021, is a modular and compact 39x39mm camera. It features a magnetic clip system for attaching additional units, enhancing connectivity, battery life, and adding a vlogging screen. This modular design is innovative, reminiscent of the GoPro Session, but with a touchscreen. The Action 2's core unit can be worn with a magnetic clip, ideal for hands-free recording, and it records to built-in memory. The upgraded memory options are a welcome improvement. Despite its compact size, the Action 2 delivers impressive performance. It features advanced image stabilization options, including a horizon leveler, and boasts a larger 1x1.7 sensor. When the battery booster is attached, it reaches a standard GoPro size, making it versatile for various shooting needs. The flexible design and robust features make the Action 2 a standout in the action camera market. Number 4. Insta360 X4. When it comes to capturing dynamic action, you need a rugged camera that's hassle-free. Insta360 addresses this need with the X4, offering removable lens guards to protect its dual lenses, while the durable case is waterproof up to 10 AM. The design has been refined over several generations, providing a sturdy, reliable feel. For traditional action camera use, the X4 shoots in 4K 60 FPS with one lens, which is more than sufficient for most needs. However, its real strength lies in its 360-degree capabilities. Shooting in 8K, it captures a full sphere of action, allowing for reframing in post-production. This high resolution is particularly beneficial for creating detailed and engaging content. Insta360's software suite is a standout feature. The mobile app, available for iOS and Android, is user-friendly, while Insta360 Studio for Mac and PC, along with plugins for Premiere and Final Cut Pro, offer advanced editing capabilities. The AI subject tracking significantly reduces manual keyframing time, making it a superior option compared to GoPro. Let us know in the comments which alternative speaks to you the most. Thanks for watching.